Hi, hello, and welcome to AirDrop Claim channel. In this video, I will show you how to claim FIO coins by FIO AirDrop. Let's see about FIO protocol. The FIO protocol is an open source blockchain that makes sending, receiving, and requesting crypto interoperably across all blockchains, and it is easy and near error free. That being said, let's see the steps to claim the FIO coins by using FIO AirDrop. To claim the FIO coin, click the link that is in the description. That will take you to the AirDrop claim page. Here scroll down, you can see the AirDrop verification details. The AirDrop claim team verified the team idea, scope and technology of this project. And now scroll down, the steps to claim this AirDrop is given. The first step is we have to create an account in Binance and complete the KYC. Now click the Binance option that is in the first step. That will take you to the Binance page. Here you have to enter your email ID and set a new password to create a new account. Once you enter the details, click the create account option and the security verification puzzle will be shown. Match the puzzle to complete the verification. Once you completed the security verification, an email will send to your account. There will be a OTP. Enter the OTP in the next page. Once you completed the email verification, your account has been successfully created. You have to create a two-step verification. You can use mobile or Google verification. And also you have to complete your KYC verification. Complete those two verifications for your security purpose, and also note the user ID. Now the first step is completed, and the second step is we have to create a CoinMarketCap account. So click the CoinMarket option that is in the green color. That will take you to the registration page. Here enter your email ID and set a password to create your account. Once you enter the details successfully, click the sign up option. After clicking the sign up option, an email will send to your account for email verification. So click the verify account option in the email to verify your account. After verifying your account has been successfully created. And now go back to the website. The third step is we have to complete a quiz by watching the videos that is given by the FIO website. So now click the FIO option that will take you to the next page. Here click the get started option. The 3 videos are given one by one. Watch the videos to know the answers for the quiz. Now scroll down to the end. There will be an option called take the quiz option. It will take you to the quiz page. For your convenience, open it in a new tab and go back to the website. The answers for this quiz is given in the Telegram channel of AirDrop Claim website. So now click the join here option in the fourth step. That will take you to the Telegram page. So click the join option to join this Telegram channel and click the pinned message that is in the top. Answers for the quiz is given in the post. So scroll down. The first question is max supply of your token. To know the max supply, click the link that is in the first step. That will take you to the coin market website. And now scroll down. The max supply will be there. So the max supply is 1,000,000,000,000. Note this and go back to the Telegram channel and note the other answers in a notebook. And go to the quiz page. First complete the CAPTCHA verification and go to the second step. Here click the agree option and go to the third step. Click the yes option, and here you have to enter your email ID that you have entered in the CoinMarket account. Enter the email ID. Once you successfully entered it, go to the next step. Here you have to enter your Binance user ID. I have already told that to note the user ID of Binance account. If you not remember, go back to the Binance website and note it and come back to the quiz page and enter here. Once you successfully entered it, go to the next step. And now here enter the max supply of the value as 1,000,000,000 and go to the next step and fill the answers for 13 questions by using the answers that is given in the Telegram channel. After completing the 13th question, the 14th question will be you have to enter the fiat wallet address. For that, click the here option. You have to create a account in wallet that have FIO coin. There are 8 category of wallets are given in this website. I am using Coinomi wallet. The Coinomi wallet are available in both App Store and Play Store. For Android users, open your Play Store and download the Coinomi wallet. After completing the installation, copy the FIO address from the wallet and paste here. Once you successfully paste it, go to the next step. And now click the submit option to submit your quiz answers. After click the submit option, a CAPTCHA verification will be shown. Verify the CAPTCHA verification to submit your details. Once you successfully submitted the form, the steps to claim the airdrop is completed, and it's the time to know the distribution details of this airdrop. For the distribution details, you have to join the Telegram channel of airdropclaim.in website. For that, open the website and scroll down to the end. There will be a Telegram symbol. Click the Telegram symbol, that will redirect you to the Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel by using join option. In this Telegram channel, they are posting about airdrops, airdrop details, airdrop distribution details, and also FUSA details. Use the Telegram channel to earn more cryptocurrency. And now we are at the end of the video. If you like this video, put a thumbs up. And we are posting tutorials to claim airdrops almost every day. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell symbol. That will help us to notify you every time that we post a video about airdrop. And we meet on tomorrow on next video. And then bye from Hari. Thanks for watching.